Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Have you ever blocked something really upsetting out of your mind? If you have, you may have experienced repression. So what is repression? What are some examples of it? And why does it sometimes backfire? First, we'll define repression, then we'll move on to the examples, and finally how it can be helpful, but also harmful. So what is repression? Well, it's an unconscious defense mechanism where the mind pushes painful, traumatic, or unwanted thoughts and memories out of conscious awareness. Basically, you don't want to remember something, so your mind helps you forget. The idea was first introduced by Sigmund Freud, who believed repression is one of the mind's primary ways of protecting us from anxiety or emotional distress. For example, a young boy who experiences abuse from another male figure may repress that event because it's too painful to remember, or he doesn't want to admit that he was abused. Or a woman who had a traumatic car accident may repress that event because she doesn't want to remember the feeling of being out of control. Repression differs from suppression. With suppression, you are consciously blocking out the memory or thought. With repression, it's done unconsciously. The person is not aware they are repressing the thought or memory. So what are some signs that repressed memories might exist? Well, unexplained fears or anxieties, nightmares or recurring dreams, emotional outbursts without clear triggers, and forgetting events that others clearly remember. Sometimes our minds help us repress memories to protect us from extreme emotional pain. But that doesn't mean the memory is actually gone. It's still stored in our subconscious and can affect our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, even if we aren't aware of it. Repressed memories can resurface as anxiety, depression, or psychosomatic symptoms. For example, you might get a panic attack out of nowhere, or feel a sudden onset of a physical illness. In therapy, repressed memories often come up during psychoanalysis. This therapy aims to bring repressed thoughts into conscious awareness so they can be examined and healed. So what's the takeaway? Sometimes our brains help us repress painful memories to protect us from severe emotional distress. However, these memories don't just disappear. They remain in our subconscious and can affect us in various ways. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who might find insight in it too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.